Welcome back to another video. My name is Rachel, and today we have my everyday Sisterlock routine. How I wake up and go. I'm giving you my secrets with my updated product list, okay? If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I drop videos daily. Also, I've been doing a raffle giveaway on my channel just to show how much I appreciate my family. If you hear a color in this video, make sure you go ahead and email me at contact@brownandconfident.com with that color either in the subject line or the body, and I have a little something special for you. Okay, so getting right into the video, we're gonna start with how I wake up and do my hair every day. The first thing I do when I take off my bonnet, I shake my hair out. I run my fingers through my hair and try to break up some of my locks because they like to marry each other while I'm asleep. Then I like to wash my hands, and the excess water from my hands, I wipe it through my locks. I take it and I wipe it all the way through, all the way to the ends. And I only do that one time, twice if I feel like it wasn't enough water on my hands, but most of the time it's only one time through with that excess water on my hands. After I do that, I put on my holy grail, Uncle Funky's Daughter De-Funk Spray. Now, if you are not new to my channel, you know how much I love this stuff. This has been a savior of mine since the beginning of my lock journey. When I tell you this stuff is a hair refresher tonic, it smells very good and it gets rid of the sweaty, gunky smell that you may have from the gym, or if you smoke or go to a cigar bar, food. Anywhere where you go where your hair picks up a smell, this will help you with that. And I also like how it refreshes my hair, like almost water, but I can't use it without water. Using it without water is just scent for me. And if I use it with water, it's like the perfect combo. This is supposed to cleanse and smooth itchy scalp and stimulate hair growth. So you have like a 15-in-1 system right here. I will definitely 10 out of 10 recommend this product. Make sure you go ahead and check it out. It's on Amazon and you can check it out just to see what it will do for your hair. It's for locks and natural styles, so this got you. Next, I go in with this Design Essentials foam. This is the composition foam, and I got this from my loctician and it smells so good. One reason why I use this is because it tames my flyaways, which we have to love that. And also it just smells so good. So I love using this with the De-Funk spray, Chef's Kiss. It's just very good. Also, when my styles are done, when we do curls or updos, this is exactly what we use. I just think it makes my hair feel so good. Like, I run this through just the front of my hair. I don't run this throughout. I take a little foam and I run it through the front of my hair, and that's it. It just tames those flyaways and gets my hair looking real good. Sometimes I will also use this for my edges. It just depends on where I'm going. If I'm not going anywhere like upbeat, like the club or on a date night or something like that, then I use this. If I'm going to a game or just to the store or just to run errands, this right here, it slicks me down really good. When I want something to lay my edges down better, I use the EcoStyle Green Olive Gel. I've been using this since the beginning of my natural hair journey, and it has kept my edges laid, okay? Now, this is the only EcoStyle gel that I actually like. I used to like the orange bottom, like red top looking one. I forgot what it's called, but that used to be my favorite. But this one really does the trick with laying down my edges and keeping them all day. Along with the edge gel, I use my edge brush, and I got this off of Amazon. I will leave the link for that down below, but This brush has been having me slayed for months. I get the gel out with this part, and I can also make the lines, you know, y'all know how y'all make the lines and y'all edges. But when I'm not trying to be fancy, this is it. This is the only side that I use when I'm not trying to be fancy, just the brush side. So I really like it. You know, get you one. Any edge brush will do, but like I said, I got this one off of Amazon, so I use it. The color is green. I have been complaining about dryness a lot, so my loctician did give me this Sisterlock moisturizing spray, which I could not wait to get to this. I thought when you got to this, it was like something high and mighty, and I just couldn't wait to get a point in my lock journey to where I could actually moisturize my locks. So I have been using this herbal moisturizer spray from Sisterlocks, and I'm gonna need some more time to give you a review. I'm not really seeing moisturized locks after this, but maybe I have to use it more. But I did want to let you guys know what I have been doing to moisturize my hair. If I am leaving the house, that is my routine. But if I'm not, all I do is wake up, shake, and go, or put it in a ponytail. So that is my simple routine. If you have any questions, make sure you go ahead and leave them down below. Let's chat, girl. And I'll see you back in the next video. Make sure you have a good week and a good day. And if God's willing, I'll see you back here next time. Bye.